Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to enable the force zoom in or pin zoom in for all sites in Edge app on Android. Some of the websites, say suppose the social media sites like Twitter or X or the Facebook and some other websites do not allow you to pin zoom. Let me just open x.com. Now when you open this website and try to pin zoom, it won't allow you to zoom in. So this is a restriction from the website itself. However, to bypass this restriction, what you can do is you can tap on these 3-bar options, go to settings, and within the accessibility settings you have zoom on all websites, enable this toggle switch, and just go back to the x.com. Maybe you can reload it again, and once you reloaded it and try to pin zoom, now it will be able to allow you to pin zoom. So this is what the force zoom in or the allow zooming on all sites does. So in this way you can make the changes and pin zoom on all sites. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.